outstanding contributions to surgical oncology through their service to the SSO, research, or enhancing clinical care or health policy. But Dr. Michelassi needs no introduction to this membership. There may be some of you in the audience who are not familiar with his incredible career and contributions in surgical oncology. Fabrizio Michelassi went to medical school at the University of Pisa, Italy. Following this, he spent 2 years as a surgery resident in Pisa. He then came to the U.S. and did a full surgical residency at New York University under the direction of Dr. Frank Spencer. After completion of his chief residency year, he went to the University of Chicago, where he rapidly rose to the ranks from assistant, associate, and tenured professor of surgery. During that time, he served as chief of general surgery and also program director of the general surgery residency program. Cornell was successful in recruiting Dr. Michelassi to become the Lewis Atterbury Stimson Professor and Chairman of the Department of Surgery at Weill Cornell Medical College. He also continues to serve as Surgeon-in-Chief of New York Presbyterian Weill Cornell Medical Center. Dr. Michelassi has received numerous honors for his contributions to surgical oncology. He is recipient of the Andrew W. Mellon Foundation Award, the American Cancer Society Development Award, the Distinguished Leadership Award from the Crohn's and Colitis Foundation of America, and in 2009, he is pictured here receiving the award as the Commodore of the Order of Merit of the Republic of Italy, which was awarded by the President of the Republic of Italy, Giorgio Napolitano. Dr. Michelassi has had a long history of service to the Society of Surgical Oncology. He has been a member of the SSO since 1989. He served on the Program Directors Committee from 1990 to 1995. He served on the Committee of Issues from 1992 to 1995. The Clinical Affairs Committee from 1993 to 1995. He served on the Scientific Program Committee from 1998 to 2001 and chaired the Scientific Program Committee in his final year. He served on the Executive Committee as a council member from 1999 to 2012. He chaired the Membership Committee from 2003 to 2005 and chaired the Education Committee from 2008 to 2009. He served in the Finance Committee from 2008 to 2010 and was the SSO representative to the American College of Surgeons Board of Governors from 2010 to 2013, and then was re-out for an additional 3 years on that as a Board of Governors. Dr. Michelassi's contributions to the SSO culminated in his being an officer, serving as Secretary of the SSO from 2003 to 2007, Vice President from 2007 to 2008, 1 year as President-elect, followed by his presidency from 2009 to 2010. He has served on the Nominating Committee from 2011 to 2013. Despite Dr. Michelassi's extensive contributions to the SSO, if one had to pick what was the single most important contribution, it would be summarized in his presidential address entitled Subspecialty Certificate in Advanced Surgical Oncology. Dr. Michelassi, pictured here, served as a director of the American Board of Surgery, and I was fortunate to have my time as a director of the American Board overlap with Dr. Michelassi's tenure. We became tremendous friends and worked together to advance surgical oncology as a recognized subspecialty. Dr. Michelassi served as director of the American Board of Surgery from 2006 to 2012. He chaired the Surgical Oncology Advisory Council from 2009 to 2011. Through his successful leadership, Dr. Michelassi oversaw creation of a specialty certificate in complex general surgical oncology and converted the SSO training programs to ACGME-approved surgical oncology training programs. With this accomplishment, the Surgical Oncology Advisory Council was converted into Surgical Oncology Board, which he chaired from 2011 to 2012. Dr. Fabrizio Michelassi has made a lasting and most significant contribution to the field of surgical oncology, defining our future and establishing a board of surgical oncology to maintain the highest quality in our education in the area of surgical oncology. Members of the SSO and guests, I present to you the recipient of the 2017 Distinguished Service Award for the Society of Surgical Oncology, Dr. Fabrizio Michelassi.